What's up, everybody? It's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and eLife Behind Bars. So today we're going to go ahead and install some add-ons through Steam. We're going to use Half-Life Alyx, but the process is pretty simple. We're going to click Community, then we're going to go to that Find Hub. It could be whatever hub you're looking for. As you can see, there are different games. I'm going to use Half-Life Alyx because I actually have that game on my PC. So, once Half-Life Alyx is found, we are going to go ahead and go over to the Half-Life Alyx community. Inside the community, we're looking for the workshop inside the community, right? So Half-Life Alyx community, the workshop within, and now we're going to go to the search and we're going to search the add-on or the mod that we're looking for. And in this case, I've seen a really cool one called Gunman, so I went ahead and typed that in, hit the search icon, and here we go. So once that's done, there's a couple of steps that you have to follow after. You must subscribe. Subscribe is considered downloading. Subscribing to the add-on or to the modification. So once that's done, we're going to go back home, and as you can see, they're downloading. Once they're downloaded, the second part begins. You take the headset on, and it's pretty basic from here once you're inside.
Half-Life. This is through Airlink. But anyway, this would be how to install and play. All right. So after you follow my first video on how to get the mods, and that doesn't just go for Half-Life, that's just mod in general. Again, it may seem old to some, but to me it was new. I had no idea. Again, I'm only a couple of months in PC gaming. Again, I wanted to share with you guys. So we're going to try to see if this goes as smooth as it should. So I just added a mod on the Steam account on my PC, and we're going to find it now. All right, start new game. Okay, we're going to put it on. We have to change to add-on, manage add-on. We're going to continue on, and we're going to accept it. Okay, so we're here. All right. Let's see.
Motherfucker! The enemy's right there! Shoot him! Shoot him, motherfucker!
That was intense. That was fucking intense. That's that one. Reach in the backpack, grab it, load it. Yeah, when you're under fire, that shit don't work the same. So anyway, that's what it is. That's what it was. Have some fun, guys. Just a quick video. Like I said, just want to take you guys outside, show you something different, something that was new to me. Hopefully it was new to you. And I'm out.